Students, today we are going to start with class 7th chapter 2, that is fractions and decimals. Now student, what is fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. What is fraction? Fraction क्या होता है? Fraction is a part of whole. अब this whole can be a single thing or group of things. For example, this is a circle and I divide the circle into 4 equal parts. Then this is the 1/4 of this circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. This complete circle stands for 1 and this is the 4th part. That means it is the 1/4 of this circle. This is fraction. Now fraction is a part of whole. Whole can be, where whole can be single thing or group of things. Now children, fraction can be written as P by Q form. Now what is P, what is Q? P and Q are whole numbers. P and Q क्या होंगे? Whole numbers. Now what are whole numbers? Again we are revising it. What are whole numbers? We studied in class 6. Whole numbers are those numbers which started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. So P and Q are the whole numbers and condition is Q is not equals to 0. Q is not equals to 0. Student, why Q is not equals to 0? Because whenever Q becomes 0, this division is meaningless. ठीक है? For example, if I divide 1 by 0, this is meaningless or not defined. ठीक है? We know that division by 0 is not defined or meaningless. That is why condition is written here. P and Q are the whole numbers and Q is not equals to 0. Now in fraction, this P is the numerator. P को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Numerator. And Q is the denominator. P is numerator, that is dividend. And Q is denominator, is divisor. For example, I write 5/7. That means this 5 is dividend and this is divisor. ये क्या हो जाएगा? Numerator है, upper part. This divisor line के ऊपर वाले part को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Numerator. And नीचे वाले पार्ट को क्या बोलते हैं? Denominator. And numerator is dividend and the denominator is divisor. Now this is the definition of a fraction. Now the next part is we are going to classify this fraction. What are the classification of fraction?
Start.
Now students, moving towards the classification of fraction. First is proper fraction. Now what is proper fraction? Proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than 0, but it is less than denominator. Students, proper fraction एक ऐसा fraction है where the numerator is greater than 0. I have already explained that any fraction can be written in the form of P by Q. For example, P by Q, where this P numerator, P को क्या बोलते हैं? Numerator. This numerator is greater than 0. Numerator is always greater than 0, but it should be less than denominator. कंडीशन क्या है? न्यूमरेटर शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0 बट न्यूमरेटर शुड बी लेस देन डिनोमिनेटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिए 3/7, 1/2. Here the numerator is greater than 0 but it is less than the denominator. 5/8. You can write so many example of proper fraction. 4/9, 6/12. All these are the examples of proper fraction. Hope so this definition is clear to you. Moving towards the next definition, that is improper fraction. What is improper fraction? In improper fraction, numerator is equals to or greater than denominator. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है? वेयर द न्यूमरेटर इज इक्वल्स टू, या तो वो डिनोमिनेटर के इक्वल होगा या क्या होगा? ग्रेटर देन डिनोमिनेटर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखिए, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन राइट 4/2. दिस इज improper fraction. 7/3. Here the numerator part is greater. मैंने क्या बोला है? Numerator is equals to, या तो equal होगा. For example, I write 1/1. That is a improper fraction. ठीक है? Numerator is equals to or greater than denominator. Denominator से बड़ा होना चाहिए numerator. All the natural number can be written as a improper fraction. All the natural number can be written as improper fraction. All the natural number can be written as improper fraction. For example, I write 6. 6 is a natural number. It can be written as 6/1 because by dividing 1 the number is again equals to 6. But this is an improper fraction. So we can say that every natural number can be written as improper fraction. So we learned the two most important definition, that is the proper fraction where the numerator is greater than 0 but it is less than denominator, and an improper fraction numerator is equals to or greater than denominator. Numerator is greater, in improper fraction numerator is greater, and in proper fraction numerator is lesser than the denominator. Numerator is the upper part and denominator is the lower part. Next, moving toward the third classification. Now moving towards the mixed fraction, that is the third type. First we have learned about the proper fraction, improper fraction and the mixed fraction. Now what is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction consists two parts. One is the natural part. आप लिखेंगे it consists two parts. Natural part, natural number and proper fraction. So it is very important to understand what is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction contain two parts. One is the natural number and another one is the proper fraction. Now what is natural number? Natural numbers, again I remembering you that natural numbers are the number, they are the counting number. It start from 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now what are the proper fraction? Proper fraction we have just read that proper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is less than the denominator. So we know the definition of these two important concept in this mixed fraction. Now देखिए what is mixed fraction, what kind of mixed fraction? Example is 2 1/3. Now this 2 is a natural part. इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Natural part और natural number. Now this is a proper fraction. So students, mixed fraction is 2 1 by 3 can be called as mixed fraction. Mixed मतलब जो दो पार्ट का मिक्सचर है, जिसमें एक पार्ट क्या कहलाता है? नेचुरल नंबर, and the second part is the proper fraction. So it will make 2 1 by 3. Now how to solve this mixed fraction? It can be written as 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1. So हम कैसे करते हैं? इनको और इसको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 upon 3. Now what kind of this fraction become? This becomes here the numerator is greater than denominator, so this become improper fraction, because we have just learned that improper fraction is a fraction in which numerator is greater than denominator. This is improper fraction. So students, from this definition what I learned or what I get the conclusion that every mixed fraction can be written as improper fraction. Let us check one more example. For example, 3 2 by 7. ठीक है? This is a natural part and this is your proper fraction. Here I am taking numerator is less than the denominator, so this is the proper part, proper fraction. Now 3 7s are 21. 21 plus 2 is 23. 23 upon 7. Now again this, which kind of this fraction become? It is again an improper fraction. So student, whenever you take a mixed fraction, it can be converted into improper fraction, and any improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction. How it is reversible? Let us see. Now इसको देखते हैं. 7 by 3. अब हमने लिखा था 2 1 by 3 can be written as 7 by 3. तो 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7 by 3. अगर मुझे इसको दोबारा से ऐसा लिखना है, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन को मिक्स्ड में लिखना है, तो मैं क्या करती हूँ? डिवाइड करूंगी 7 को 3 से. दिस इज 3 2s are 6, दिस इज 1. तो आई नो दैट इज QR upon D is the formula. This is quotient. What is the quotient? Quotient is 2, and what is the remainder? 1, and this is the divisor. So again I can write this improper fraction as a 2 1 by 3. Now 23 by 7 को भी हम चेक कर लेते हैं. How to write in the improper mixed fraction? अब इसको mixed fraction में कैसे लिखेंगे? 23 को रखिए यहाँ पे डिवाइजर, डिविडेंड, 7 as a divisor. 7 3s are 21. Now minus करिए, you get 2. Again formula apply है, QR upon D. Q is the quotient. What is the quotient? 3. Remainder is 2 and divisor is 7. So this, it can be written as 3 2 by 7. So what is the conclusion? Every mixed fraction can be written as improper fraction, and every improper fraction can be written as mixed fraction. So you can write, student, every mixed fraction can be written as improper fraction, and आगे लिखिएगा, and every improper fraction can be written as proper fraction, can be written as mixed fraction. So students, once again I revise this. What is mixed fraction? Mixed fraction contain two parts. That one is the natural number, another one is a proper fraction. And if you try to convert this mixed fraction, it will convert it into improper fraction, and every improper fraction can be written as mixed fraction. Hope so this concept is clear to you. Now we are moving towards the fourth classification, that is the like fraction. Now what are like fractions? Like fractions are the two or more fraction is said to be like fractions if they have the same denominator. क्या होना चाहिए इसकी डेफिनेशन क्या है? Two fractions are said to be a like fraction if they have the same denominators. For example, I write 1 by 3, 2 by 3, whatever you can write, 7 by 3, 11 by 3. Here the denominator is same. When the denominator are same and the numerator are different, they are called as like fraction. एक जैसे भाई बंधु दिखने वाले, ये सारे के सारे एक ही कैटेगरी में आते हैं. Why? Because they have the same denominator. ठीक है. Now what are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions are the fractions having different denominators. Having different denominators. For example, this 2 by 7, 1 by 3, 4 by 11, 3 by 8. So these are the examples of unlike fractions. 2 by 7, 1 by 3, 4 by 11, 3 by 8. Here you are seeing that all the denominators are different. So these are, मतलब इन दोनों में कुछ भी common नहीं है इन सब में. All are different, having the different denominators. So they are called as unlike fractions. Now the sixth, that is the equivalent fraction. Now what are equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions are those fractions in which we can say that the value of two fractions are same. For example, लिख लीजिए definition, value of two or more